Hey guys, do you want to learn how to grow an email list for real estate leads? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will discuss email marketing for real estate agents and provide tips for growing your email list. Building a solid email list is one of the best ways to generate more leads and close more deals in the real estate market. Email lists are an essential tool for real estate agents, and these lists allow agents to send targeted messages to a large number of potential clients at once, making it easier to market properties and close deals. By gathering information about the people on their lists, agents can tailor the content of their emails to match their audience's interests and preferences. In addition, by tracking interactions with clients on email lists, agents can gain valuable insights into which approaches work best for marketing real estate and engaging with potential customers. Overall, email lists are a highly effective tool for real estate professionals, helping them to connect with prospects and close deals more easily. So, let's get into the video. What are email lists and how do they work for real estate agents? Email lists are a way for businesses and organizations to keep in touch with their leads and potential clients and customers by turning them into subscribers. By subscribing to an email list, leads give businesses permission to send them updates about new products, services, and events. Email lists can be used to build relationships with your leads and customers, and they can also be used as a marketing tool to promote sales and special offers. In addition, email lists can be used to send announcements, newsletters, and other communications. When used effectively, email lists can be a valuable asset for any business or organization. I can speak to that. And while there is no doubt that email marketing is an effective tool for real estate agents, many agents still struggle with how to actually create and implement their email list. One important factor to keep in mind is the need for regular, consistent communication. Agents should strive to email their list at least once per month and frequently include interesting links and articles related to the housing market. This type of engagement will help subscribers feel more connected to the agent and excited about their offering. In addition, it is also important for agents to utilize lead capture forms on their websites, which allow them to gather the contact information of potential clients and add them to their email lists. And by doing so, they can greatly expand their reach and stay on top of mind when it comes to people, wanting to make purchases or sell a property. In the end, email lists are a powerful tool for real estate agents who are willing to put in the time and the effort necessary to engage with their subscribers and build lasting relationships with potential clients. And I know getting that email list up and running, first and foremost, is the most daunting task. But once you have it completed, it's easy peasy from there. Why do realtors need a big email list? It is essential for realtors to build an email list, as this is one of the best ways to stay in front of mind with your clients and leads. And once someone gets on your email list, you can keep in touch with them via regular updates and promotional offers at any time without having to continually recapture their interest or attention. And this ensures that you're always at top of mind among your contacts and that they will always be thinking of you when they need to purchase or sell a home. When you capture a lead's email, they instantly go from being a lead that you borrow to a lead that you own. And here's how that works. When you are marketing your services, you are marketing to an audience by attempting to grab their attention, pique their interest, and build a relationship with them. And marketing is in nature an attention capture game. If you capture someone's attention, then you have successfully marketed to them. And on most marketing platforms, whether it's paid social media ads or blog content, you can only borrow someone's attention when they see your catchy headline and consume your content. And if you are not ready to buy or sell at that moment and sign a contract with you, then you'll need to recapture their attention over and over and over again, either through your marketing dollars or more content. So with an email list, you're able to actually own someone's attention, because now you have a way to get someone's attention anytime you want by delivering your marketing message right into their inbox without having to spend more money on ads or try to create new content to recapture their attention and interest. When you capture someone's email, you essentially are capturing their attention over a long period of time so that you can market to them over and over and over and over again until they're ready to buy or sell with you or unsubscribe from your list without you needing to put forth any effort to try to re-engage their. Number 3, how to create an email list for real estate leads. Building a big email list in the real estate industry is all about providing value to the potential customers and clients. And this can take many different forms, from sharing useful tips on social media or hosting webinars that offer accountable advice for home buyers and sellers. And the key is to provide concrete, practical insights that people will be eager to snag for themselves. In order to get people onto your email list, you will need to offer something of value in exchange. But this is well worth it, since the right connections can lead to lucrative long-term clients that bring you sales or referrals. To build an effective email list, it is important to have a strong lead capture mechanism, such as a well-crafted landing page, an engaging opt-in offer, or a compelling call to action, which is my favorite. In order to capture someone's email, you must give them email or enough value in return. And for example, if you are a real estate agent, you could offer a free ebook on the top 10 tips for buying a home in exchange for someone's email address. And once you have captured someone's email address, it is important to have a CRM such as KV Core, which is what I use, or MailChimp, in order to manage your email lists and send out automated email campaigns. Number 4, how to create an email marketing campaign. When it comes to email marketing, it is important to send out high quality content that will actually be valuable and interesting to your subscribers. And if you are constantly sending out spammy or irrelevant emails, then people will quickly unsubscribe from your list. And additionally, you must carefully manage the frequency and content of your emails, tailoring them to the needs and interests of your audience and ensuring that they are engaging and valuable. And with these strategies in place, realtors can successfully maintain their email lists and reap all the benefits that come with it.